Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week, 8th of August 2022, and what a blessing beginning of the week. We had an amazing trade. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders to squeeze amazing profit through live intraday analysis. As always, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system. Let me share with you guys how I did today. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. So if you look at the Euro USD chart, and if you look at here, we haven't seen any big volatility, but based on the price action, we had this breakout and we were looking at pullback. We had this long trade here and bank few PPs on Euro USD, and that was a pretty steady. As you know, today we haven't seen any high impact news, but our bias was long from beginning of the markets. As you can see here at the Asian, this is the morning analysis. Price developed this one. That was a beautiful long trade here, shoot up, bank beautiful PPs, and afterwards, as you can see here, price developed a false breakout. That's what I explained. If the price gonna break this level, long here. If the price gonna break this one, then short here. As you can see here, momentum is bullish. We had a beautiful long trade here, and I also updated that analysis at the New York session, which is a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, a beautiful breakout, and after the breakout, pullback, long trade here on Euro USD. So that was the today. We were long on the Euro USD, bank few PPs. Pound dollar, we had amazing trade, guys, as you can see here. So we had a long trade here, pound dollar, as you can see here, price nicely respected, and we also had a short trade here and the counter. So let me explain to you both long and short entries on pound dollar. Right, so if you look at here, this is the analysis in the morning. Even if you look at here, this is the analysis I did at the Asian session. Beautiful breakout, pullback, long run, but I also updated that analysis in the London morning session just to help my traders not to lose these opportunities. You can see a beautiful breakout, long trade here, price nicely hit to the profit target, bank amazing profit. As always, price developed false breakout. Then I explain again point of interest. Look for this breakout. As you can see here, price broken and pulled back as soon as the price hit to the previous level, and explain my traders time to enjoy some profit. Let's see if the price is going to develop another pattern. Okay, so you can see here again, price traders are looking a short. I say, guys, if the price is going to develop a pullback, momentum is bullish, we're going to look for pullback at this level, breakout, and then we'll see if the later on if the price develop any reversal pattern, then we're going to take a short trade, otherwise long here. Look at based on the analysis, price developed beautiful pullback, nicely hit to the profit target. Explain my traders time to enjoy some profit after banking some profit. Once the price developed double top here, as you can see here, major resistance level, and that's what I explained my traders safest way. Let the market break the previous low and retest as mentioned in the analysis, and you can see a beautiful pullback, and as soon as the price hit to the previous low level, explain my traders time to enjoy some profit. You can see here what an amazing trade on pound dollar. Right, so dollar CAD is the trade of the day, guys. Today we had a bank amazing profit. We are short from here to here. Okay, so if you look at the 4-hour chart, based on that, price, as you can see here, price respected this level, could not maintain this level. Price broken and retest, give us the confirmation for this short. We have taken all the short trade here and bank amazing profit as soon as the price hit to the previous level. So let me explain to you how we analyze the entries and exit. That was the beautiful trade, guys. Amazing. Okay, so you can see dollar CAD at the market open Asian session, beautiful breakout, but I also did this analysis at the London morning breakout for this one, as you can see here, and that analysis I broadcasted at the London morning session. You can see here that was the beautiful, and after the breakout, as always, you can see here how nicely after the breakout price nicely respected and beautiful short trade here, bank amazing profit. And after banking some profit, I explained my trader, we have very strong bearish momentum and trend, just keep taking a pullback. And that's what I explained to my trader. We're only going to take a counter if the price is going to develop this pattern. Otherwise, we are interested in a short trade here. You can see here, price nicely develop another pullback as soon as the price hit to the profit target, major support level in 4-hour. That's what I explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. All right, guys, as you've seen that how we analyze market in 4-hour and how we analyze entries and exit in intraday and banking profit every single day. So the most important and interesting part for you to watch those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time, that's the interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill with the live market in real time. And once you develop your trading skill, I will also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train trader every day with the live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a safe trading. Until next time, all the best.